And races on. Speed Bullet from the outside. Stand by your main. And rushing up in between runners, Pleasant Girl. Regal Chip also moving up. Regal Chip, Speed Bullet, Stand by your man. Pegasus rushing up from the outside. Pleasant Girl, Mangaro. Alongside Alicia's go down on the inside. The Real Thing. 1A Lifeline, Lady Diamond. And moving up, entry number 10, Senor Elijah, Friendly Fire, third last, Fearless Whisper. And entry number 12, Packstrat is running at the tail of the field. Pegasus, Regal Chip is stand by your man down on the inside. Speed Bullet, Mangaro also rushing up. Pleasant Girl, Alicia's Gold, the Real Thing, Lady Diamond. As they race the final corner, three runners fighting it out for the lead. Pegasus in the middle. Stand by your man down on the inside. Regal Chip, Mangaro sneaking down on the inside. The Real Thing also rushing up. Stand by your man, followed by Regal Chip, the Real Thing, Mangaro, and finally stand by your man, Regal Chip, Mangaro. Close the Real Thing, Speed Bullet, and for your super is number 10, Senor Elijah.